2000 type automatic flanging and punching machine, processing diameter for all 2000 mm, processing thickness to 6 mm. Other functional thickness diameter can be customized. 1. The advance and retreat of each station are driven by servo motor. 2. Forming configuration preservation function, replacement of the workpiece only need to call out the program, greatly reducing the difficulty of debugging, saving debugging time, and hence the consistency of production products. 3. The propping device adopts the cylinder support, which has strong supporting force and small radial swing when the workpiece rotates. 4. Flange width adjustment using step module. Flanging width is more stable. The adjustment type saves time. 5. The spindle is equipped with high-power servo motor and type star reducer to improve